Yesterday, I was doing a press talk, and I told the crisis in the life of a man in Pakistan. A man, a farmer, farming for about 7 to 8 generations, got devastated over the past 15 years. His name is Iqbal Solanki. He was a farmer. He got wiped out in the floods of 2010. He barely survived and came back to his farmland and got wiped out again in 2012. He left the farm for a while, tried to put food on the table for his children, and came back to farming once the water went down. And he was hit again in 2022. One flood after the other, his life got devastated. His livestock was washed away, his house was washed away, his children's schools was washed away, his family was displaced. And he finally gave up on farming and probably does some labor work somewhere in Karachi. Generations of farming lost to water. But what I didn't say yesterday is that Iqbal Solanki is not alone in this universe. If you look at the Bangladeshi farmers who wait for the water to flow, and if the water doesn't flow, then the fisherman starves and the farmer cannot farm, same story. In Sahil, at Sahil, a woman walks about 4 miles one way to get 1 bucket of water every day. And she is to walk 4 miles because the river that flew next to her village has pulled back. And has pulled back because someone upstream has stopped the flow of the water. Every day she walks 4 miles to get 1 bucket of water to bring back to her children. This is what she did yesterday. This is what she's doing today. And this is what she would be doing tomorrow. This is not a crisis in her life. This is her life.